Hello guys, welcome to Disha study. In this session, we will do 30 previous year questions from the economics which asked in the previous SSC examination conducted from 2010 onwards to 2023. And this is the 11th part of this series, and the link of this series playlist you will find in the description box. So let us start with the question. First is, which of the following is an indirect tax in India? Your A option is goods and services tax, B option is income tax, C option is corporation tax, and the last option is capital gains tax. So the right answer is the option A, that is goods and services tax, that is GST. Now the next question is, who among the following was the first Indian governor of the RBI? Your A option is C.D. Deshmukh, B option is H.V.R. Langer, C option is P.C. Bhattacharya, and D option is L.K. Jha. So first Indian governor of RBI जो थे वो थे C.D. Deshmukh. That is option A is the right answer. Now the next is, banks issue KCC to support credit in agriculture. So here KCC stands for blank. Your A option is Kisan Credit Certificate, B option is Krishi Credit Card, C option is Krishi Credit Certificate, and the last option is Kisan Credit Card. So KCC stands for Kisan Credit Card. Option D is the right answer. Now the next question is, identify the false statement in the context of money supply. Your A option is total stock of money alone in an economy determines the overall liquidity in the economy. Your B option is commercial banks issue primary deposits to create credit. Your C option is the money held by the government is not included in the measure of money supply. And D option is credit money refers to the money whose money value is more than the commodity value. So the false statement here about the money supply is option A is the right answer, that is total stock of money alone in an economy determines the overall liquidity in the economy. Next question is, when the commodity value of money is less than the monetary value of money, it is called blank. Your A option is fiat money. Sorry guys, यहाँ पर spelling mistake है, L की जगह I आएगा, that is fiat money. Your B option is fiduciary money. C option is credit money, and the last option is full-bodied money. Right answer is the option C, that is credit money. Next question is, for a NBFC MFI, the maximum variance permitted for individual loans between the minimum and maximum interest rate blank. Your A option is cannot exceed 4%, B option is cannot exceed 2%, your C option is cannot be less than 2%, and the last option is cannot be less than 4%. So right answer is option A, that is cannot exceed 4%. Next question is, blank is the money which is accepted as a medium of exchange because of the trust between the payer and the payee. Your A option is credit money, B option is fiduciary money, C option is fiat money, and the D option is full-bodied money. Right answer is option B, that is fiduciary money. Next question is, lack of financial discipline by the government can lead to blank. Your first is the excess expenditure, second is the inflation. So which of the following option is correct? Here are four options. So correct one is option C, that is both these statements are correct. Next question is, blank demand for money arises mainly due to the uncertainty of future receipts and expense. A option is transactions, B is generic, C option is speculative, and D option is precautionary. Right answer is option D, that is precautionary. Next question is, the rate at which RBI lends to commercial banks for the short term is called blank. Your A option is repo rate, B option is reverse repo rate, C option is bank rate, and D option is cash reserve rate. The right answer is the option A, that is repo rate. Next question is, SLR is an important tool used by RBI to control money supply in the economy. So the full form of SLR is, your A option is statutory liquidity reserve, B option is stipulated liquidity reserve, C option is statutory liquidity ratio, and D option is stipulated liquidity ratio. So the right answer is option C, that is statutory liquidity ratio. Next question is, which of the following has been designed as the self-regulatory origination for microfinance institution in India? A option is Jandhan, B option is Sabdhan, C option is Dhan, and the D option is Sadhan. So right answer is option D, that is Sadhan. Next question is, in India, CRR is fixed by blank. That is, CRR means cash reserve ratio. A option is Ministry of Finance, B is the Ministry of External Affairs, C option is the Reserve Bank of India, and the last option is Life Insurance Corporation of India. So CRR is fixed by the RBI. So option C is the right answer. The next question is, in the context of microfinance, SHG refers to blank. Your A option is Sustainable Help for Growth, B option is Surety and Help Group, D option is Sustainable Help Grant, D option is Self-Help Group. So SHG stands for Self-Help Group. Option D is the right answer. Next question is, the Regional Rural Banks Act was passed in blank. A option is 1976, B option is 1956, your C option is 1986, and D option is 1966. So RRB, that is Regional Rural Act, was passed in the year 1976. So option A is the right answer. Next question is, blank and blank are called as narrow and broad money respectively in the context of money supply in an economy. Actually, M0, M1, M2, M3, M3 and M4, these are the money measures to calculate the amount of money supply in the economy at a particular time. So यहाँ पर जो है नैरो मनी एंड ब्रॉड मनी की बात की गई है. सो जो M1 है उसको नैरो मनी कहा जाता है एंड M3 को जो है ब्रॉड मनी कहा जाता है. सो ऑप्शन ए इज द राइट आंसर. Next question is, Microfinance Institution Network and Sadhan along with FIDC have jointly launched the blank for the microcredit industry in the year 2019. Your A option is Industry Codes and Principles, B option is Code for Responsible Lending, C option is Microfinance Code, and the last option is Code for Micro Lending. Right answer is the option B, that is Code for Responsible Lending. Next question is, which of the following is the function of money? First is the used as a store of value. Second statement is used as a measure of value. Third statement is used as a medium of exchange. So the correct option is option A, that is 1, 2 and 3. It means all these three are correct with respect to the function of money. Next question is, blank was established between informal groups and formal financial institutions like banks, and informal groups यहाँ पर example दिया हुआ है like SHG, that is self-help groups, for catering to the financial needs of the poor. A option is SHG bank linkage, B option is SIDBI MFI, that is microfinance institutional linkage, C option is NABARD bank linkage, and D option is SHG NABARD linkage. Right answer is the option A, that is SHG self-help group bank linkage. Next question is, which of the following does not create any corresponding liability for the government? First statement is the revenue receipts, second is the capital receipts. Below are the four options. Correct one is the option C, that is only first. It means revenue receipts does not create any kind of liability for the government. Next question is, what is the upper limit of annual household income for microfinance borrowers in rural areas? Your A option is rupees 1 lakh, B option is rupees 1.25 lakh, C option is 1.5 lakh, and the last option is 2 lakh. So right answer is the option B, that is rupees 1.25 lakh. Next question is, with effect from the 1st April 2020, the United Bank of India has got merged with which of the following banks? Your A option is State Bank of India, B option is the Punjab National Bank, C option is the Bank of Baroda, and D option is the Canara Bank. So right answer is the option B, that is Punjab National Bank. Okay, and Oriental Bank of Commerce is also got merged with the PNB. Next question is, which of the following banks was merged with the Indian Bank from April 1st, 2020? A option is Indian Overseas Bank, B option is Allahabad Bank, C option is the Canara Bank, and D is the Bank of India. So right answer is option B, that is Allahabad Bank. और ये क्वेश्चन जो मर्ज हुआ था बैंक का एक दूसरे के साथ 2020 में, ये क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं एसएससी के 2020 के पेपर में और 2021 के पेपर में. ओके, Next question is, after being constituted as a non-statutory body in 1998, the Securities and Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI, was established as a statutory body in the year blank. A option is 1992, B option is 1994, C option is, यहाँ पर मिस्टेक है 1995 आएगा, एंड द लास्ट ऑप्शन इज 1993. और इस क्वेश्चन को गाइस हम प्रीवियस सेशन में कर चुके हैं. अगर आपने वो देखे होंगे तो आप इजीली आंसर कर पा रहे होंगे. जो सेबी था इसको एस्टेब्लिश किया गया था इन द ईयर 1988. यहाँ पर भी गाइस मिस्टेक है, यहाँ पर ऊपर जो आएगा 1999, 98 की जगह 1988 आएगा. ओके, इसको एस्टेब्लिश किया गया था 1988 में, और इसको जो है स्टैट्यूटरी बॉडी, एज अ स्टैट्यूटरी बॉडी को जो स्टेटस दिया गया था इन द ईयर 1992. ओके, यहाँ पर मिस्टेक है क्वेश्चन में, सो इसको देख लीजिएगा 1988 आएगा. ओके, और स्टैट्यूटरी बॉडी एज अ एस्टेब्लिश किया गया था 1992. राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ द इंडियन बैंकिंग सिस्टम द कैश रिजर्व रेशियो इज डिसाइडेड बाय ब्लैंक. योर ए ऑप्शन इज द रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, B option is the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, C option is the individual banks, and D is the Ministry of Finance. और ये क्वेश्चन आई थिंक प्रीवियस रिपीट हो चुका है. वहां पर क्वेश्चन की लैंग्वेज थोड़ी डिफरेंट है. आई थिंक वहां पर पूछा गया था CRR इज डिसाइडेड बाय. ओके, सो RBI इसका आंसर आएगा, दैट इज रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, द इंटरेस्ट रेट एट विच अ नेशन सेंट्रल बैंक लैंड्स मनी, सॉरी गाइस यहाँ पर मनी आएगा, मंकी आ गया है, मनी टू डोमेस्टिक बैंक्स ऑफन इन द फॉर्म्स ऑफ वेरी शॉर्ट टर्म लोन्स इज रेफर्ड to as. Your A option is bank rate, B option is repo rate, C is the reverse repo rate, and D is the cash rate. The right answer is option A, that is bank rate. Next question is, the name you can bank upon is the slogan of which of the following banks? Your A option is Punjab National Bank, B is the State Bank of India, C option is the HDFC Bank, and D is the Canara Bank. So the name you can bank upon is the tagline of the PNB Bank. Okay, option A is the right answer. Next question is, in the context of the banking sector, what does F stand for in IFC? So F stands for functional, B is the financial, C is the fiscal, and D is the forum. So previous session में हमने IFC की full form देखी थी. So it stands for Indian Financial System Code. So here F stands for financial. Okay, so option B is the right answer. Now the next question is, blank is the rate interest at which Reserve Bank absorbs liquidity from banks against the collateral of eligible government securities under the LAF. LAF means Liquidity Adjustment Facility. Your A option is SDF rate, B option is reverse repo rate, C option is bank rate, and the last option is repo rate. The right answer is the option B, that is reverse repo rate. Next, in the last question of this session is, in 1991, the Indian rupee was devalued in how many steps? Your A option is 4 times, B option is 3 steps, C option is once, and D option is twice. The right answer is option D, that is twice. So that's it guys, I hope that you love the content. So please like the video, and for more videos stay tuned with this channel. And yes, if you're visiting the channel for the first time, so you can also subscribe the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon also, so that you can get the notification of all the latest videos. So we will meet soon in the next session guys. Till then, bye bye and take care.